Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and today I would like to share with you a continuation of the items that I bought at the miniature dollhouse store, which is called Earth and Tree Miniatures, and that's in Amherst, New Hampshire. That's a store that it took me four years to get to. So anyway, so this is one of the items, and I want to show you the items up close. I have some grab bags here, and these items I've already shared with you in previous videos. So you've seen this before. If you haven't, I'm going to make a playlist so that you will be able to see them before or after this video at some point whenever you have a chance, if you'd like to. So why don't we take a look at what I bought here. So place the camera here. Now this sofa here, I did not have white sofas, and they only had these two. So I feel like I was short of another one. I would have liked to have another one like this one in white like that. So what I did was, that inspired me to try to make one similar, and this is what I came up with. I actually made two of these. So these two are handmade using foam, cardboard, and what else? Foam, cardboard, and tissue. This drawn white tissue. So I came up with these. This one looked more like this one. See what I'm saying? I mean, of course, not exact, but I'm going to continue making these and see if I can match it up to this, because I don't have this material. But anyway, that's what I came up with. This was another handmade one, and this was the store-bought one, which matches this one. So I'm going to set these aside while I show you other items that I bought. And we'll just leave this chair right there. You know what? I'll leave this chair here just so that you can see them as I share with you the other items. Now this here is a radio. It's supposed to be some antique radio, but it doesn't play or anything like that. It doesn't have those type of features, playing. Doesn't play, doesn't have batteries, not battery operated. And it's from, let's see, Town Square Miniatures. But this is a nice piece. This is a nice piece. How much did I pay for this one? $14.50. Look at how nicely made this piece is. I love the color. This wasn't on sale. This was just the price that it had. Look at the legs. I love the legs. Beautiful piece. And it has, you can see, it has a little bit of red in there, like a velvet red. But again, it's not battery operated or anything like that. So I'm not sure where I'm going to use it yet. I haven't planned where I'm going to be using these pieces, but eventually you will see them again. So let's grab another piece here. Look at this one. Now this one was $5. I think this was a clearance item for $5. And I'm not sure, to tell you the truth, what is this supposed to be? I don't think it's a closet. If you know, please comment below and tell me what it is, because I'm not sure what it is. Doesn't have any markings. Well, it does have a sticker there, but it doesn't say anything. You see what I'm saying? It opens nicely. It even looks like some type of dog house, but it's not. Can't be. Or a little shed. It might be a little shed. I don't know. Not sure. So I'm not sure how I'm going to use it. This is something I have to think about. Then, let's see what else. Let's place that there. Now, oh, look at this one. Now this one, to tell you the truth, I want to show you something. Underneath here, it says $12.50. Let's see, $12.50 right there. So when I grabbed it, I was okay with paying $250. But what happened was, this is what happened, and I'm sure it was an honest mistake. But I was in the store and they were closing at 5. And as I was at the register, they were almost about to close. And my hubby came in, and there weren't a lot of people in the store, just the owner and somebody else and all that. So he came in and he was talking to us, and I got distracted, so I didn't go over the items with the person who was ringing them up at the register. So she accidentally marked this $23. See, must have been $23 before, but it was reduced to that, unless somebody put the sticker on it. I don't know, but I went by this price when I first grabbed it. So later on I realized at home that it was like an overcharge, because I was looking at the $12.50, not $23. You know what I'm saying? So, and that store is so far from me. I'm in New York. That store is in New Hampshire. So I didn't even bother. Just took the hit. Anyway, so look at this beauty. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my God, look. And I want to show you the back. The doors even slide. And look how nicely they slide. Now this is great for something I haven't created yet, which would be a jewelry store. I've created bakeries, miniature bakeries, and it would be great for, cakes and cookies, and eventually it will. But I'm seeing a jewelry store with this piece. So eventually you will see that. Now look at that. How beautiful. Nicely made. All around. Very fine piece. Beautiful. But I love this. I love the back. I love that you can just open it so nicely. So easily. Just like in the store. So, let's place this piece right here. Where are the other items? Okay. Now, besides these pieces that I shared with you, I have some grab bags. And this was another thing. One of the ladies in the store told me they were 25 cents. I looked at the receipt. I had the receipt here when I got home. And I looked at everything, and I don't know, the price was different on the receipt. Let's leave it at that. But again, it was so far and everything, I didn't even bother. I'm all the way in New York. You know what I'm saying? The store is in New Hampshire, so. But it was probably some misunderstanding. Alrighty, so this is the first grab bag. Let's see what's in here. I haven't opened any of this yet. So let's see what's in here. So there is a wreath. Look at this wreath. You could tell it's missing some pieces, but that's why it's a grab bag, you know what I mean? It's little odd pieces that maybe are not perfect, or they didn't sell for some reason. You know what I'm saying? But this is cute. I can always fill those spots in with something else. Oh, look, what do I have here? Something tiny. Oh, so this was part of the wreath. You see some like berries or cherries. That goes there. So I'm going to be gluing that. Let's see what else. Even though these pieces have individual prices, it was the whole thing just was stuffed into a grab bag anyway, so this wasn't what I paid for it. So this, I don't know, I might not really have any need for it. Maybe. Let's see what else is in here. So we have, look, there's a little picture of something here. It's like a bear. See it? And then this is good for like a bed. Nicely sewn, some foam with the fabric. I guess there's miscellaneous pieces that went in there. Piece of board, piece of wood, a circle. Now this piece of paper is really nice. This is for the wall, or it can be a floor too. I like the texture. Beautiful, look at that. Then this one here is more like for a kid's room. Little piece of scrap paper. Then we have a little picture that can go on a frame. And then these little odd things. This is part of a pot. I guess, you know what? I don't know. Maybe those were pieces that were just around. They just threw them in there, you know. And that's it. Okay, so I do have more grab bags, but I'm going to separate the video and make a separate video with these. You have, let's see, 3, 4, 5 grab bags, and look at this one. So I won't show you much now. Look at that. I'm giving you a little peek. So I will come back in a separate video sharing these with you. Okay? So this is what I shared with you today. The display here. The unknown box. What's the purpose of this? I shared the radio with you. And in a previous video, or 2 other previous videos, I shared these items with you. The ironing board, the walker, the turkey, the chairs, the little gifts, the cash register, TV, the pot, the ice bucket, the radiator. So all that I shared with you before. So I hope that you enjoyed what I shared with you today. And thank you so much for watching.